Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla. Here to show you a super nice Chevy Silverado.
Yes.
1987. It's a short box truck with beautiful paint, beautiful glass work, beautiful chrome. It has a Billet Specialties set of aluminum wheels on it that are gorgeous. This car comes with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. Also has power steering. Also has It also has power windows, power door locks, an upgraded stereo.
Such a sharp looking truck. Love it.
Upgraded new dashes, gauges in the dashboard.
You got the cream and brown interior.
It's beautiful.
Super lush. It really is beautiful.
350, 5.7 liter, 350 small block, paired with an automatic 3-speed transmission.
Very, very cool. Horn works. All right, start her up. Even the door jambs, you can see. Really, really nice condition. All the chrome is in great condition.
All right.
Test drive up next.
We got a test drive 1987 Chevy Silverado.
Yes.
2-wheel drive. Nyla and I are both in agreement that we really like this truck.
We really, really like this truck.
All the gauges are working nicely. It's got aftermarket newer gauges in it. It's got air conditioning. It's got power steering, power brakes. It's got a digital AM FM radio, but it's still on the tape deck. So I'm not sure exactly what the deal with that is. But it's cool.
Very cool.
Power windows, power locks.
Got the nice bench seat.
Plenty of power under it. It's got a 5.7 liter 350 engine.
Heck yeah.
Feels real good.
Definitely has some pickup.
This truck rides really nice for having these big wheels and tires on it.
It does.
Because I think there are at least 20s or 22s on here, I think.
So pretty.
This is when a truck was a truck.
Right?
These new trucks are just too fancy.
Yep. Simple, classic.
All right. Let's give her some gas. Oh yeah. It's got a full tank of gas in it too, whoever gets it. We usually sell them on empty. This one's full.
Very nice.
Yeah, this car steers real nice, it shifts real nice, stops good.
Sweet.
Somebody's gonna really enjoy this truck. It's a nice truck.